Before World War II, the German leader planned to create a vast empire centered on Berlin, with magnificent buildings and a world-class technology center. The empire would include a complex transportation network, including airships and commercial aircraft, with railways remaining the main mode of ground transportation for the mass movement of personnel and goods. However, the standard 1435mm wide railway track was considered insufficient in terms of transportation capacity. The leader proposed to widen the tracks to allow larger trains to pass, demonstrating his enthusiasm for mechanical engineering. He initially suggested designing 4-meter-wide tracks, which shocked the designers. But eventually, after repeated negotiations, the width was reduced to a more reasonable 3 meters. Despite this, many people opposed the 3-meter tracks, as it would require rebuilding the existing railway system and would not be compatible with the railway systems of other European countries. The leader's response revealed his ambition, as he stated, "Other parts of Europe will become part of Germany." According to the leader's vision, the new railway would radiate from Berlin to the Eurasian continent, extending to the Far East and India. The most important regions in this plan were Ukraine and the Volga River Basin, which the leader saw as the future food center of the empire, a vision that was later realized during the events of World War II. The first broad-gauge railway plan would run through Germany, connecting the industrial zones in the north and south, passing through cities such as Hamburg, Berlin, Nuremberg, Munich, and Linz. The second railway would be much larger in scale, starting from Paris and passing through Krakow, Kiev, and eventually reaching New Delhi. The third railway would connect Vienna and Budapest directly to Turkey. If all 3 railways were completed, it would greatly benefit the economic and cultural development of the regions in Europe, West Asia, and South Asia centered around Germany. Rail transport would to some extent replace maritime transport, and Berlin would become another economic and cultural center like London in the past. However, simply building the railways was not enough. Large trains would also need to be redesigned. The passenger trains would be 7 meters high, 6 meters wide, 42 meters long, and equipped with electric drive systems with output power of 15,000 to 24,000 horsepower. The trains would have a design speed of 250 kilometers per hour, with 196 luxury seats, as well as facilities such as a cinema, sauna, hair salon, and swimming pool, making them more luxurious than today's high-speed trains, with transportation efficiency theoretically similar to high-speed trains. For freight trains, steam locomotives would still be used due to differences in carrying capacity, capable of pulling up to 8 carriages with large cargo boxes, far exceeding the capacity of conventional freight trains, and would be equipped with necessary anti-aircraft guns. The leader's ambitious super railway plan was never realized, as the feasibility was too low. The technical and cost issues of building new trains, as well as the century-old challenge of railway infrastructure construction, made it unattainable. Another obstacle to the plan was the outbreak of World War II, which disrupted the development plans of all European countries, particularly as Germany focused all its resources on the war effort, leaving no room for building railways. As a result, the leader's super railway plan, along with his empire plan, disappeared with the onset of war,